sick! Yo, what's up guys? On the new GoPro. First video on the new GoPro. Look at these nice views for me. We out in Cali. Gotta go crazy with the content. You already know the vibes, right, Chris?
Yeah, you already know, guys. You already know, my guy. New GoPro. You see it. Rosati came in.
You got a GoPro too on your
GoPro. We're all content creators in this house. It's like a bike life content creator house.
How you liking it so far, though?
I love it, bro. Look, my first time in LA. This is definitely legendary. Just gotta grind. You know, get the content for Mr. Beast, but you know that's the goal. You know what I'm saying? Get the content for the viewers, the kids, and all that. You know.
This GoPro lit too, man. I wasn't expecting this, man. For real.
Alex told me about it. I was like, cause I had asked you for the GoPro batteries, so like, does it seem suspicious? Yeah.
About to go to a cafe, then we about to go ride. The hat, Owen.
Thank you.
We about to go ride. Yo, how did you get this Mr. Beast bike, bro?
Oh, bro. Just gotta go watch the video.
For real, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, but I want to know, bro.
Oh, I mean, it could have been done without, you know, the powder touch and a rod supply. So that's all. Chris Surfer's out of shape. He hasn't rode in a minute because he's been editing that video. But damn, like my back hurts. Like,
are you getting old?
Nah, I'm just like. Bro, it's just a setup, bro. That's what it is. I definitely have a messed up back, 100%.
Oh, man.
But I'm gonna work on it.
Yeah, you better work out or fix your posture, boy.
Yeah, I need to fix my posture.
Or else you're gonna be for life.
You're saying that like so casual. Or else you'll be for life, man.
It's perfect for somebody.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yo! We right by the Santa Monica beach. Yes, sir.
We about to go rob a bank or some shit. Yeah, we about to go rob a bank.
Yo, Smoke. This one's Fuego.
Wow. Just like that. Yes, sir. Yeah. That is so sick! What? What? No way. No way!
Bro, what?
Yo! Yo! What you looking at?
Looking about it. Look, Martin, I got one you busted your ass. Yeah, no, like I hate saying it. It sounds like a lie, but I am not even lying.
Yeah. What? That's crazy. Yo. Yes, sir. It's just water, bro. Just water.
Hey, that's my smart water. Chill. If he's up, I won't be smart.
Did you know that smart water is actually dumb water? It makes you dumb. We outside in Los Angeles right now. Am I right?
Bruh. You see the hills and shit, Hollywood side?
Yes, sir.
Sir, guys, we in Hollywood right
Yes,
now.
sir.
We're gonna live down the avenue.
Oh!
You want some patch?
What you talking about?
You want some
Don't know me there too.
I got that vid! Did you record that?
Bro, I didn't. I literally took my camera off of it.
Bro, what? That's crazy. Damn, bro, wait through the pants. Bro!
You want some
Look, he heard some peso boom and got hyped.
Damn, look at my hand. Bro!
That shit like
Guys,
swollen.
bro, I'm sorry, Patch. Bro,
That's good, bro.
Patch, do not swerve cars. You want some Patch?
You see, you guys that we're going that.
You want some patch?
What you talking about?
You want some
Yes, sir. We're on our way to Beverly Hills at the moment. I go at the Cloud House. Oh, look at this road, dude. Look at these cribs. Yo, Deja Vu's hitting, Alex. I feel like I've been here before.
All we have. This is the same spot.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, this is crazy.
I know, bro. No cap. Yes, sir.
Bro, like, look at the cribs.
Right, no.
What?
No way. No way. Walk. Come on.
Wow.
Land that. Let's go.
Bust the liberal. A liberal?
Liberals. Yes, sir.
Bro, this is insane. Bro,
Bruh. 5 minutes in the hills and we're already taking a break up the hill.
He's not built for this. You're right, I'm not.
we don't have fucking hills in Florida, bro.
Is that the Clout House? What?
Yeah.
No way, dude.
Personal selfie pop or you got personal? But what, you not trying to give up your personal, John? Appreciate it.
I'll
Thank
take a
you,
gator.
guys.
Sir.
Appreciate it.
Hey, that's Daryl.
Hey, and they're cold. Yo, you the goat, bro. Appreciate it, bro.
Daryl.
I'll get you one, Mike.
Thank you.
Shout out to Mike, yo.
Yes,
Mike.
sir.
Shout out to
Daryl.
Mike. But y'all see the vibes right now.
Look at these views. We on the TTA bridge. Yo, what's up, guys? We in the hills, as you can see, the Hollywood sign. Let me see some. Let me see some. Let me see some. Wow. Damn. No cap. Yes, sir. Come on. We believe in you. Come on. For the one time. Wow.
What'd I say?
Come on. No. He got that. He got that.
Why does it look like there's a little rock? So these boys over here, they've been on all these hills. They see this hill, bro, but it's the last hill that we go up there, right?
Bro, guys, in here for 10 minutes. Break up these hills, bro. We gotta make this hill. Just watch.
Alright,
Watch.
We got one more, that's it.
One more little hill. It's not
Yeah, come on, guys. We got this.
Yo, ain't it found a phone in a wallet with 200 bucks on?
That.
Did you empty the wallet?
No.
Chill, it's an old lady. It's an old lady from New Zealand. Just leave it there.
Australia. Time to go up the hills, boys.
But no, road rap, we right.
Bruh.
This is how you go up a hill. Come on. Guys, I made it up the hill, bro. And they still try and get up the hill. They still try and get up the hill. Yo, they all the way down there. Yes, sir, guys. We made it.
Yo, Aiden, could you turn your hotspot on for me, bro?
Yeah, I got you, gang.
We out here,
Yes,
guys. We
sir.
out here. Literally.
He almost just stopped.
As you can see, we going down the hills. We going down the hills, Chris. We outside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Just finished visiting the top of the Hollywood sign. Some crazy vibes. Yes, sir. It's pretty crazy around here. Got these crazy trails. Type-ish. Man, they got all these nut loops, dude, I swear. Look at that, another loop.
Alright, Chris.
Oh, alright, demon. Okay, Owen. Oh, a snake.
Expert, everyone get out the way.
Don't scare it, it's a rattlesnake.
Is it alive? Or is it sleeping?
It's either sleeping
There's a snake right
Is
there.
it just one?
or rattlesnake.
What?
You see its tail?
Go touch it.
Yeah, bro.
Go touch it, Martin. I'll give you a shout out.
It's probably sleeping.
Alright, go touch the snake.
Shit not working.
It's probably dead.
Yo,
No, he's very
Yo, it's hissing. I just saw it.
Did you do that though?
Nah, that's
I saw it hissing.
His tongue came out of his mouth.
I'm sure it happens.
Bro, what?
You said touch it.
But that's a sign.
That's